And we have here a set of 3 little mesh sieves. I picked up from Amazon. They are just used for so many different things. I do like the fact that they've got the hook on there, so you can hook them up out of the way. You've got your 3 sides there. Teeny one I've used this for when I'm making tea. If you're making like using loose leaf tea, it's very good for using that. And also for herbs, if you're washing a few little herbs or something very small, it is perfect for that. Then you've got your medium, again, anything small, like if your handful of veggies, that kind of stuff. And you've got your bigger, which we use probably the most because we things like rice, pasta, single portions. With being just 2 of us, we have smaller serving sizes. So this one's really perfect for that, and it is just really robust, easy to clean, can go in the dishwasher if it needs to. And yeah, it's just a really convenient little set. It's just used all the time without even thinking about it. You just grab and go. So yeah, it's very sturdy. It's got nice solid handles, and you just really recommend it. It's never let us down, and it's a really fab little product.